So just a couple of pieces of pre-information before we actually get into the details of the analysis. So what we need to do basically is take this predictor and change it in certain ways to ensure that the regression analysis handles it appropriately. So we need to create a set of coded variables that represent this categorical predictor that has 3 or more categories. So what we're going to do is create n-1 coded variables or vectors. So sometimes these codes are called vectors by some researchers. And we want to create these codes such that n is equal to the number of groups or categories. So if we have a 3-level predictor, such as these 3 departments, we're going to need 2 coded variables to fully represent that variable in the analysis. Please don't confuse this lowercase n with uppercase n, which denotes our total sample size. So hopefully this is refreshing your memory from ANOVA, or this is the same notation that you used in ANOVA, where you have a certain number of groups and that number is denoted by a small n, or a lowercase n. All right, so we need to create this n-1 number of coded variables. And we do that in SPSS through some steps, which I'll show you in a second. All right, so together, these set of codes completely and accurately and fully represent the original categorical variable. And so you use that set of codes and you treat it as the whole predictor in the analysis. So in the upcoming segment, I'm going to show you how to take these 3 departments, fully represent them by 2 coded variables, and then you're going to treat that K of 2, or 2 predictors, as the as one predictor. You're going to treat that as the department variable.